BITSET 2026 aspirants, your application window is officially open. This is your first step towards getting into BITS Pilani, Goa or Hyderabad. So dear ones, we at Careers 360 have covered this particular news which says that BITS Pilani Admissions 2026 candidates can apply for BITSET 2026 on the official website admissions.bitspilani.ac.in till March 16. Mark the calendars. Moving ahead, BITS Pilani will conduct the BITSET 2026 Session 1 exam from April 15 to 17 and Session 2 from May 24 to 26. The application fee for BITSET 2026 is Rs 3,500. Remember this thing. Moving ahead, BITSET 2026 is a computer-based test held for merit-based admissions to its integrated degree courses in engineering and pharmacy. Moving ahead, talking about the eligibility criteria, the candidates must have passed the class 12th examination from a recognized board with physics, chemistry, and mathematics as the compulsory subjects. Candidates who have qualified class 10 plus 2 exam in 2025, they are also eligible. Students must secure a minimum aggregate of 75% in physics, chemistry, and biology. Additionally, a minimum of 60% marks in each subject. Moving ahead, talking about the pattern of this particular examination, BITSET 2026 will be held for a duration of 3 hours. The BITSET exam 2026 section 1, it includes physics, chemistry, English proficiency, logical reasoning, mathematics and biology. BITSET will comprise 130 questions and 390 marks in total. Over here you can have a look. So people, part 1 physics 30 questions, part 2 chemistry 30 questions, part 3 English proficiency, logical reasoning, you can have a look, 10 questions for English and 20 questions for logical reasoning. Part 4 maths, it's 40 questions. So BITSET total questions, if I talk about, it's 130. As per the BITSET marking scheme 2026, candidates will be awarded 3 marks for each correct answer and 1 mark will be deducted for incorrect responses. Remember, the March 16th deadline, the BITSET advantage is the best of 2 scores. So register for both sessions now and secure your seat. Like and subscribe for more BITSET strategy.